Realme has been at the top of its chasing game since ever, and this has mostly been to keep its patrons and fans hyped about the upcoming devices. While the Realme XT, the first 64MP camera phone in India, was launched only today, the company has been talking about it since the last month. We even had early access to the 64MP camera smartphone a couple of weeks ahead of today's event. But while still on stage, Realme CEO made some crucial announcement about an upcoming variant of the Realme XT with Snapdragon 730G chipset inside and announced a schedule for the Android 10 for Realme devices. Realme XT 730G. Realme has announced that they will launch a version of Realme XT catering to gamers. This device will be powered with the Snapdragon 730G mobile platform, which will be an upgrade in terms of power efficiency over the Snapdragon 712, which currently powers the Realme XT. The Snapdragon 730G SoC also features an improved Adreno 618 GPU, which is slightly better than the Adreno 616 on the Snapdragon 712 chipset. The smartphone thus will be called the Realme XT 730G. The rest of the specifications of the Realme XT 730G will resemble the standard variant of the XT in terms of appearance and rear camera hardware. The same 4000 mAh battery will power the upcoming variant, but it will support fast charging, this time at the rate of 30 watt. While Realme has promised that there will be more surprises in December when the phone launches, but a device with a striking resemblance has been spotted on the website of China's regulatory body, TENAA. The device listed on it is powered by an octa-core processor with a maximum frequency of 2.2 GHz. The said device matches the Realme XT in all respects but one bizarre processor. While the standard Realme XT comes with a 16MP selfie camera, the Realme XT 730G features a 32MP camera on the front. We can clearly see a 32MP camera inside the notes, so the possibility of a pop-up camera is ruled out. The listed device runs on Android 9 Pie, and this is affirmed by Realme's schedule for the release of Android 10.